Attention subscribers, please make sure that you're still subscribed to my channel. I suspect YouTube is deleting my subscribers without their knowledge. There's a Bodacious hottie, a 2018 Austin Martin Vantage. There's a Bodacious Beauty in 2018 BMW M3 CS. There's an attractive lady in a 2018 Corvette Z06. There's a buxom lady in a 2018 Ferrari 812 Super Fast. There's Bodacious in a 2018 Ford Shelby GT500 Super Snake. There's a 2018 Lamborghini Miura and attractive lady. There's a erotic hottie in a 2018 Mercedes AMG GT-R. Please don't forget to donate. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. That's the end of the show. I hope you liked it. Have a good day.